Vasha dance is a padam that describes the pranks and playfulness of Lord Krishna. She portrays how he presents the gopis with a fruit, actually a gopi with a fruit, and she is getting ready to eat it. He snatches it away. She begs him to give it back to her, and he returns it only after biting into it. He taunts her with a beautiful flower and says that he will decorate her hair with it because he really cares about her and loves her. She sits as instructed with her eyes closed, and when there is no action for a while, she opens her eyes to see him put the flower in her friend's hair. He also throws mud cakes onto her clothes and dirties them for fun, and she is livid. But in the end, he wins her over with his charm and beautiful music, as always. So we present.
விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களுக்கு ஓயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களுக்கு
So it's very interesting as we move towards each person's Arangetram for the year. They have trained for several months, and it's almost as if those who went before Vasha kind of inspired her, not just her, but the next person and the next person and next person. And that group sitting there has inspired several dancers. Let's give her and them a nice round of applause. They are funny and fun, but when it comes to the dancing, they are spot on, very serious, very proud.